Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can add a video with a custom play button in Webflow, so let's get started. First, log into your Webflow account and open your project. Once inside, go to the page where you want your video to appear. From the Add panel, drag a div block onto the canvas. This will serve as your video container. Next, set a background image for that div block. Ideally, use a thumbnail or a still frame from your video so it looks clean and professional. Now let's add the play button. Drag an image element inside the same div block and place it right on top of the background image. You can use a play icon for this to make it visually clear that it's a video. To make the video play when clicked, we'll use interactions. Select the div block and open the interactions panel. Create a new interaction and choose mouse click as the trigger. For the first click, set an action that replaces the background image and play button with an embed element that contains your video embed code, whether it's from YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform. Alternatively, if you want a simpler setup, you can use a lightbox component. This allows your video to pop up in an overlay when the play button is clicked, easy and elegant. Once everything is set up, test it in preview mode to make sure it works smoothly. Adjust the styling as needed so everything fits perfectly with your site's design. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.